Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Etched Runes in Archero 2. Alright, let's begin. Recently, there was a fishing event in Archero 2 that allowed players to purchase Etched Runes from the event shop. While the event is currently unavailable, it will return in the future, so be sure to participate when it does. To obtain Etched Runes, you need to collect enough event points or coins during the fishing event. You can then purchase a blue, rare rarity Etched Rune and upgrade it to Epic. To use these runes effectively, all equipped runes must be at least Epic. Once they are all upgraded, you can activate up to 3 Etched Runes at the bottom of the rune menu. Additionally, leveling up an Etched Rune to Epic is essential to unlock its special effects, which significantly enhance its power and make it worthwhile. So that's basically how you can get Etched Runes in Archero 2. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.